mis amigas, hello and welcome back to another video. I am just so happy that you guys are here, and today's video, you guys already know that I will be cleaning my entire living room, just because that you guys will know that I am obsessed with reorganizing my living room, just because, like, I don't know about you guys, but I get bored and seeing the same thing all over and over, like in my house at least. It's just boring to me. So for me, like, rearranging my living room is like a soothing feeling for me, and it just feels so awesome. So with this video, I will be doing that today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And let's get started with this video, mis amigas. So to be straight up honest with you guys, yo tenía a very long time that I haven't even cleaned this little area in my house, just because tend to focus on other things, and I shouldn't be leaving my little furniture behind porque it was so dirty and filthy and a lot of accumulated with lots of dust. And with that, I was able to do it today. And you guys can see the background of my TV is like fall vibes. I was in the mood of like fall vibes, and this is why I put this background there, and it was so awesome and it was so relaxing for me. So when I like to clean my house, I like to put music on just so I won't feel lonely and kind of boring about it. But today we are listening to fall vibes, and it's just so awesome because that's like one of my favorite seasons, and I just cannot wait because the weather is great. Sweater fever is coming, and I just love it so much. I said I was going to clean my living room, and I meant I was going to clean it. So estas ventanas de aquí arriba yo no las alcanzo, and luckily I have this Swiffer that is extendable, and it is my new best friend. I love it so much, and in other videos you guys see me that I use a Swiffer duster all the time, and it's just makes wonders, and I love it. It's my best friend. If you guys haven't used one already, I highly recommend, even for like the high places, areas around your home. I really recommend it because it literally picks up all the dust and it does not leave any dust behind. So that's what I'm doing right now con las ventanas, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do this because I don't know, mis amigas, my living room was just solita and no le hacía tanto caso, and I just needed to do something with it. It needed some love, pobrecita. But luckily this day was for her and dedicated for her. So once I started into my living room, I started to move kind of like la carpeta de aquí abajo, and I just had to like take it out because you guys will see it. I'm gonna be cleaning it later on, and I was just so grateful that I was able to do that, just because I don't know if you guys can see, pero estaba bien sucia, mucha tierra y mucho polvo por donde quiera. My little dog se me persigue. He always thinks like something's going on, like say hay something for he can catch. But anyways, mis amigas, so this is what I'm doing right now. And honestly, this carpeta is one of my favorites. It just matches so good with my house for right now. And I'm just going to keep it. I know se dobla por el medio. I don't know if you guys can see that línea. But I'm going to just keep it because it's cute, it works, and it's just so easy to clean. And I'm just loving it so much. Okay, so when I was doing this video, I was like, you know what, ¿por qué no limpié toda mi carpeta? Just because I know you guys can probably tell, but it's donde está mi perro, está más blanca que el otro lado, and it's where my carpet was, and it was just, I don't know, at the moment I was not thinking, I was just focused and trying to get things ready so I can move over my furniture and stuff, pero no pensé hasta ahorita. But that will be another video for you guys, because I know I already made some cleaning my carpet videos, but I think it's time for another one because you guys like them so much and you guys think it's really satisfying. So I will be saving that for you guys next time. So aquí me van a ver que voy a estar batallando bien mucho moving my stuff, and let me just tell you guys, I broke a sweat and I should have waited for my husband to help me, but I didn't, so I did it all by myself, and I was just impressed of everything because I usually just move my furniture all by myself, and just because I'm really impatient. So with that, I'm just so happy how my living room came out, and you guys will see by the end of this video. guys are probably thinking like, ay, no, no es nada, no pesa tanto, que uno puede solo. Yes, podemos solas, but this furniture is just, it tricks you because está bien pesado, mis amigas. I think lo que lo hace más pesado es porque la carpeta, and just because it can't move easily, I guess. So please let me know if there is an easier way that I can just slip it to one side to another, because I need it, mis amigas, because yo como muevo mis furnitures all the time, I just need something easier for me before I break my back, and I would like to know the easy way, mis amigas. So let me know in the comment section if you guys know a better way for me to move my lovely furniture for next time. So with that, aquí lo voy a poner, and then I'm gonna be moving mi planta and kind of like cleaning around the area. So right here is kind of like an overview on how my living room was looking like, and it was just out of control. No lo pueden ver ustedes, pero un desastre. But this is what it's looking like. I'm kind of like tired at this point, kind of like trying to catch my breath. I know that for sure, and kind of want to take the time and kind of show you guys and how my living room is looking like. I don't know, but I think I'm actually liking the living room, or not the living room, the TV on this side, like how it is, rather on my other wall. But it's just my preference. I don't know. I'm just saying that right now because it's a different look, a different, format of my living room. But let me know what you guys decide. What do you guys think about it? Because I would like to know. So with that, ahorita voy a sacar mi máquina para limpiar la carpeta. And this is my favorite carpet cleaner of all times, and it just cleans so much. It even cleans like pet stains and anything like that. It's the best thing ever. So I'm gonna be cleaning my rug right now, so let's go. So, tada, mis amigas, llegamos al fin del video. I had to kind of wait a little bit for the carpeta to dry, and by this point it was already dried. It was the evening, but I kind of wanted to videotape it because the sun was hitting right here, and it was so great, and it was so relaxing, and I loved it. So, así quedó mi salita, mis amigas, and I love it. I love it so much. I am in love. It's so cool, it's so cute and simple and relaxing. And with that, I know I'm still missing some end tables and a coffee table in the middle, but I will get those as soon as I can. But that was it, mis amigas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time on another one. Bye, mis amigas.